Contrary to its name, you won't need any fishing tackle for this one. It's called Goalkeeping Catch and Release. Here, we're helping goalkeepers practice catching a broad range of shots and distributing them quickly and accurately. In a square space, set up one large goal on one end and place a small goal in each opposite corner, but put your keeper in front of the goal. Here's how it looks. You, coach, stand between the small goals and throw or kick balls towards the goal for your keeper to catch. Once the keeper catches the ball, they must quickly distribute by hand or foot to one of the small goals, mimicking the quick pace and variety of the actual game. Keep them moving and guessing by serving the ball at different speeds, angles, and heights. But don't go overboard. We don't want diving catches here. The point is to keep your player moving and challenging them to the level of their ability. They won't catch every ball, and they won't hit the target each time either. That's not the point. We're looking for effort, not perfection. Coaches, encourage players to distribute the ball quickly. It starts with catching the ball well in the first place. If the ball is coming in at chest height or higher, encourage them to use the diamond catch, holding their arms up and in front of the body, forming a diamond with the thumb and index fingers, and bringing the ball to their chest as soon as they catch it to secure it. They'll need their feet, too, to get their body to the ball first to avoid reaching left or right. Remember, get to the ball, diamond shape, distribute quickly. We're pretty sure they'll get hooked on this one.